You have booked the flight, you have packed your bag, you are excited, and then you land. And suddenly, everyone is speaking English, and you freeze.
The hotel receptionist asks you something. The bus driver says something. Someone on the street tries to help, and you just nod and smile and have no idea what they said.
That stops today. Welcome to Easy English Leap. I am Anna.
And I am Jake. Today we have a full travel conversation. 15 real phrases that will save you on your next trip. Hotel, transport, directions, shopping, photos, we cover it all.
We will go through it slowly first, then break it down, phrase by phrase, and then practice again at natural speed with time for you to repeat.
By the end of this, you will feel ready to travel anywhere English is spoken.
Let us go.
Here are the 15 phrases you will learn today. Just listen first.
1. I would like to check in, please. 2. I have a reservation under name 3. Could I have a window seat? 4. Where is the nearest subway station? 5. How much is a ticket to place? 6. Is this the right bus for destination? 7. Could you recommend a good local restaurant? 8. What time does it close? 9. How do I get to Landmark? 10. I am lost. Can you help me? 11. Could you take a photo of us? 12. How much does this cost? 13. Do you accept credit cards? 14. I would like to exchange some money. 15. I am here on holiday for 10 days.
15 phrases. All of them will appear in the conversation coming up. Let us go slowly.
Section 1. Travel conversation. Slow version. Listen carefully. Every phrase will appear on screen. Music, light, upbeat, travel, ambiance. Fade out.
Anna, we made it. We are here.
I still cannot believe it. Okay, first things first, the hotel. Let us check in receptionist voiceover. Good afternoon. Welcome. Do you have a reservation? Yes, we do. I have a reservation under the name Anna Chen. Receptionist, perfect, Miss Chen. I have you here for 5 nights. Would you prefer a higher floor? Yes, please. And could I have a window seat? I mean, a window-facing room. Receptionist. Of course. Room 48 has a lovely city view. Here are your key cards.
Thank you so much. One quick question. Where is the nearest subway station?
Receptionist. Just 2 blocks north from the main entrance. Turn left out of the hotel, walk straight, and you will see the sign.
That is easy. Thank you.
And could you recommend a good local restaurant nearby? Not a tourist place, somewhere locals actually eat. Receptionist. Oh, absolutely. There is a wonderful little place called Bella's on the corner of 5th and Market. Very popular with locals. It closes at 10. What time does it close? Receptionist. 10 o'clock tonight.
Perfect. We will head there later. Music, transition, street sounds.
Okay, subway. Let us figure this out. How much is a ticket to the city center?
Let me check the machine. It says $3.50.
And which line do we take?
Excuse me, is this the right bus for downtown, or do we need the subway? Passerby voiceover. The subway is faster. Take the blue line, 3 stops.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Music, transition, market street sounds. Jake, look at this market. Oh, I love it here.
Me too. How much does this cost? Vendor voiceover. That one is $20. Do you accept credit cards? Vendor. Sorry, cash only here. Okay, Anna, I need to find a bank. I would like to exchange some money.
There is one on the corner, I think. Let me check the map. Actually, excuse me, how do I get to the nearest bank or currency exchange?
Passerby, go straight down this street, turn right at the traffic lights, and you will see a blue sign on the left.
Thank you so much. Got it. Music, transition, landmark sounds.
Anna, look at that view. We have to get a photo.
Yes, excuse me. Could you take a photo of us? With this building behind us? Tourist voiceover. Of course. Ready. 1, 2, 3, smile. Oh, that is perfect. Thank you.
Amazing. I love this city.
Me too. Oh no. Jake, where are we?
I have no idea. I think I took a wrong turn back there.
Okay, do not panic. Excuse me, I am lost. Can you help me? I am trying to get back to 5th Street. Local voiceover. Of course, you are actually not far. Go back the way you came, take the second left, and you will see the main road. Thank you so much. You are a lifesaver.
And that is why we practice English before we travel.
Exactly. Oh, by the way, how long are you staying?
I am here on holiday for 10 days. You?
Same. 10 perfect days.
Perfect. End of slow version.
Now let us break it down. 15 phrases in 6 groups.
Group 1, at the hotel.
Phrase 1. I would like to check in, please. The standard polite phrase to use at any hotel front desk. Not, I want to check in. I would like to check in, please.
Phrase 2, I have a reservation under name. Always say under, not with my name, or in my name. I have a reservation under Anna Chen. Under is the key word.
Phrase 3. Could I have a window seat? You know this from the restaurant. Could I have is the polite request formula. Here you use it for a room type. Window room, higher floor, quiet room. Could I have a window-facing room?
Group 2, getting around.
Phrase 4. Where is the nearest subway station? Nearest means closest. Subway, metro, underground. Different cities use different words, but the phrase is the same. Where is the nearest subway station?
Phrase 5, how much is a ticket to place? Simple and direct. Fill in the destination. How much is a ticket to the city center? How much is a ticket to the airport?
Phrase 6. Is this the right bus for destination? Before getting on any bus, ask this. It saves a lot of trouble. Is this the right bus for downtown?
Group 3, asking for recommendations.
Phrase 7. Could you recommend a good local restaurant? The word local is the key. It signals you do not want a tourist trap. Could you recommend a good local restaurant?
Phrase 8, what time does it close? Simple and essential. Always check before you go. What time does it close?
Group 4. Getting directions.
Phrase 9, how do I get to landmark? The most useful directions phrase. Fill in any destination. How do I get to the museum? How do I get to the train station?
Phrase 10. I am lost. Can you help me? Short, clear, honest. Locals respect it when you ask directly and politely. I am lost. Can you help me?
Group 5, shopping and money.
Phrase 12. How much does this cost? You can also just say, how much is this? Both are natural. How much does this cost?
Phrase 13, do you accept credit cards? Very important. Many small markets and local shops are cash only. Always ask first, do you accept credit cards?
Phrase 14. I would like to exchange some money. Use this at a bank or currency exchange desk. Polite and clear. I would like to exchange some money.
Group 6, photos and personal info.
Phrase 11. Could you take a photo of us? Always use could you. It is polite, not demanding. And of us means both people in the frame. Could you take a photo of us?
Phrase 15, I am here on holiday for X days. Useful at passport control. With locals, anywhere you explain why you are visiting. I am here on holiday for 10 days.
6 groups, 15 phrases. You are ready to travel.
Now the shadowing section. Full conversation at natural speed. After each key phrase, you hear a pause. Say it out loud. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Music, light, travel ambiance.
I have a reservation under Anna Chen. Pause 3 seconds. Could I have a window-facing room? Pause 3 seconds.
Where is the nearest subway station? Pause 3 seconds.
Could you recommend a good local restaurant? Pause 3 seconds. What time does it close? Pause 3 seconds.
How much is a ticket to the city center? Pause 3 seconds. Is this the right bus for downtown? Pause 3 seconds. How much does this cost? Pause 3 seconds. Do you accept credit cards? Pause 3 seconds. I would like to exchange some money. Pause 3 seconds.
How do I get to the nearest bank? Pause 3 seconds. Could you take a photo of us? Pause 3 seconds. I am lost. Can you help me? Pause 3 seconds.
I am here on holiday for 10 days. Pause 3 seconds.
Excellent. You just practiced 15 travel phrases at natural speed.
Save this video. Play it again the night before your next trip. It is the best 15 minutes you can spend before you travel.
Quick recap. 15 phrases by group.
Hotel. I would like to check in, please. I have a reservation under name. Could I have a window-facing room?
Transport. Where is the nearest subway station? How much is a ticket to place? Is this the right bus for destination?
Recommendations. Could you recommend a good local restaurant? What time does it close?
Directions. How do I get to Landmark? I am lost. Can you help me?
Shopping. How much does this cost? Do you accept credit cards? I would like to exchange some money.
Photos and personal. Could you take a photo of us? I am here on holiday for X days.
That is your travel English toolkit. 15 phrases. Every situation covered.
Your comment challenge today. Tell us, which country are you planning to visit? Use at least one phrase from today in your answer.
We read every comment. Drop it below.
If this helped you, subscribe to Easy English Leap. New lesson every day. Real English, real situations, zero stress.
Next up, English.